Okay, so I'll just show you how to work the automated parking system in this Range Rover Evoque. Just go back a bit. There's not a whole lot of room on here on the forecourt, but we'll make as much as possible. So anyway, that's showing the reversing camera. So we're in drive, click the park assist button. It's saying park assist searching on the dash, and it's showing a kind of a radar signal going out to the left there. Just moving forward slowly. Covering the brake with my foot. Park assist, said space found, drive forward. So I'm just going forward a little bit. Park assist stop. Select reverse. So select reverse. And here we go. There you go. I'm just covering the brake. I never trust these. I would probably never use it myself. Same park assist reverse with care. Park assist stop, select drive. Drive forward, park assist stop, park assist finished. No hands.